In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Roblox error. Disconnected, please check your internet connection and try again. Error code 277. So to fix this error, first we need to check our internet connection is working properly or not. So to check that, we can go to any browser and just search something. So see, mine internet connection is working properly, but still I get the error. So to solve that error, first we go to settings, our phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps, search for Roblox, tap on force stop, click OK. Now go to storage, click on clear cache, click on clear data. If you remember your login credential, your email and password, then only click on clear data, otherwise do not click on. Now go back, tap on permissions and enable all the necessary permissions and make sure this manage app if unused is toggle off. So if it is toggle on, then it will remove permission, delete temporary files, stop notification and archive. So just make sure this is toggle off. Now go back, tap on battery and make sure it is set to unrestricted. Now go back. If you are using mobile data, then go to mobile data and make sure these two are enabled. Allow background data usage and allow data usage while data saver is on. Make sure this two is enabled. So by doing all this, your problem will definitely be solved. But after doing all this, your problem is still not solved, then go to Play Store, search for Roblox and check there is any update or not. If there is any update, then update your Roblox. But after updating, your problem is still not solved, then simply restart your device. Just long press your power button, tap on restart and restart your device. By doing all this, your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.